Jay Beauty and welcome to my channel. Obviously I do have makeup on because I was filming and I like to wash my makeup off in the shower anytime I do film. Now that that's out the way, let me show you how to get this moisturized heatless blowout. It's going to start with wash day, and I really feel that wash day, it sets the precedent on how your hair is going to feel, look, and react in the upcoming days afterwards. So needless to say, wash day is very important and it's going to play a huge part with this moisturized blowout. I'm going to quickly go over a moisturizing wash day routine and what it looks like. I'm going to start with the pre-pooing process. As you just saw, I like to use the African Pride pre-shampoo treatment. It works wonders. Also, I'm going to go in with a moisturizing shampoo just to make sure that my hair is clean but not stripped of any natural oils, and also I don't have that friction in my hair. So you can see how my curls are clumping together. This is a great sign for me. I like to wash my hair in quadrants because I can manage my hair a whole lot better. I can get to my scalp and work the shampoo down the length of my hair with ease. After I've worked the shampoo in all 4 sections, I am going to rinse it out with warm water. The next step is conditioner, and I really enjoy using them because in the word it conditions and it also helps to nourish the hair. And I'm going to comb the conditioner in just to make sure that my hair is detangled and also that the conditioner is penetrating into my hair strands. This is going to be very important because you want to retain all the benefits of the products you do use. Once I know the conditioner is in my hair very well, I am going to twist it, and this is going to also help with moisture retention. And I'm going to twirl my fingers around the ends several times just to help make sure that the ends of my hair are nice and secure. And the last step for me on wash day is to deep condition my hair. I just love the way deep conditioners have my hair feeling so good and moisturized, and my curls come together, just feeling overall healthy. Now I have received a lot of comments from naturals saying they go from shampoo straight to deep conditioner. I will say when I first did the big chop in 2014, I was playing around with my hair, just the products and also techniques for me. I will say I noticed when I pre-pooed, shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned, my hair felt the healthiest. It was strong. It also had a lot of moisture and was able to retain moisture a lot better. Now when I did do shampoo and then skip conditioner and went straight to deep condition, my hair didn't feel as nourished. It wasn't as manageable, and I noticed over time my hair wasn't as moisturized as I would want it to. My styles didn't last as long and my hair was a little bit frizzy. So I've noticed that doing all of these steps works best for me, and that's what I advise for you to do. If you find a technique or step, products, whatever that work good for you, continue to do that. But whatever you do, don't skip that deep conditioner. Now I'm going to put a shower cap on to help intensify the deep conditioning routine while I take my extended shower. Alright, and after about 12 minutes, I'm ready to rinse the deep conditioner out with cold water, and my hair, it feels so good, very healthy, moisturized, nourished, and soft. Not too soft, but it definitely has a level of strength and softness. And here's how my hair looks right after I rinse the deep conditioner out. Now let's get into this heatless blowout routine. I'm going to divide my hair into 4s as usual. Next, I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner. This one is from Shea Moisture. It's their 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in conditioner. One of my favorites because it really helps to lock that moisture in, helps to nourish and condition my hair. And it has coconut oil, which works excellent for me. Then I'm going to seal that moisture in with this Welda Rosemary Conditioning Oil. This is one of my favorite pre-made oils because it has rosemary, which I find very calming and soothing to my hair and scalp. Also, it has a nice consistency, so it does help to lock that moisture in my hair without it feeling greasy. You know what I mean? So it does have my hair feeling really nice. I am going to comb this section with the wide tooth comb, just making sure that my hair is indeed tangle free. Also, that the leave-in conditioner and the oil are distributed very well. And next, I'm going to braid my hair very snug. So I'm not rushing down, but I'm making sure that my hair is nice and taut and braiding with purpose. You know that I always love to say that because I really want you to understand everything you do in life, do it with purpose. And when I get to the ends of my hair, I am going to twirl it around my fingers several times because I don't want it to unravel. I want my hair to stay nice and secure, and I'm going to repeat this on the other 3 sections. And here's another close-up of my braid, and you see how the ends, they're staying nice and secure. This is a great sign and why I love twirling the ends so they don't unravel. Now I'm just going to put all 4 braids in the center of my scalp. I'm gonna use these curved bobby pins to help my braids stay on top of my scalp. My hair is semi-damp and I'm gonna let it air dry overnight. Also, I'm gonna put my favorite bonnet on. I love it because of the black band and it's comfortable on my head. Fast forward to the next day, my hair is pretty much dry and I will be unraveling my braids in a little bit. Just a quick shirt change. I felt that the green was a little too dark and my hair, it feels so moisturized but not greasy at all. Now to unravel the braids. My hair feels very good. I wish you could feel it. It's so soft, moisturized, and conditioned. A perfect combination that I love. Now I'm just going to separate one quadrant into halves. I am going to use this paddle brush, and this is going to help me brush my hair out. And I'm doing it very gentle, but I'm making sure that I'm pulling my hair taut to help comb the curls out and give it that blowout look. I'm making sure to brush my hair at all different angles, also brushing from the root. This is really going to help, and I'm going to continue doing this process on the other sections. I'm loving so much this curl definition, the bounce, how moisturized my hair is. It smells great, and this is why I love how I get a heatless blowout. And now that I brushed out all the curl definition from unraveling the braids, I'm just gonna continue doing the same technique, making sure that I get under my hair. Also from the side, I'm making sure that I cover all the angles. I made a middle part using a wide tooth comb, and I'm just gonna comb straight through my hair. And here's what my hair looks like after I finish, and I love the outcome. My hair is very moisturized, it's soft, it's not weighed down at all, and I know any style that I do after is going to turn out great because my hair is nice and prepped all over. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. As you know, I don't put heat in my hair to create my hairstyles, so this is my take on a blowout. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.